If you're facing the error loading captions issue on YouTube on your iPhone, follow these simple steps to fix it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Inside General, scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. From the list of options, choose Reset Network Settings. This will refresh your network configuration and may resolve the issue. Once done, go back to General again and tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the YouTube app. Tap on it, then select Offload App. After the app is offloaded, you will see a Reinstall App option. Tap on it to reinstall YouTube. Next, open the App Store, tap on the Search tab, and search for YouTube. If an update is available, make sure to update the app to the latest version. After completing these steps, the captions issue should be fixed. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.